Hi everyone, I'm Elena, and welcome back to exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're diving into Napkin AI, which is a powerful tool that turns text into visuals like diagrams, mind maps, and flowcharts, helping you organize and present your ideas effortlessly. It's fast and easy to use and fully customizable. Let me show you how it works. First things first, let's head over to Napkin AI's website and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is free and easy. Once you're in, you'll see a clean and minimal interface designed to help you capture, connect, and refine ideas. Think of Napkin AI as your virtual brainstorming board. You can start by typing in your ideas or uploading a document. Whether it's a marketing campaign, blog topic, or ad strategy, just type a phrase or sentence and hit enter. For example, if I enter Facebook ads and lead generation, Napkin AI might suggest related concepts like retargeting strategies or lookalike audiences. Now you can generate visuals. So let's click on our first paragraph and generate a visual. It will provide different visuals that you can choose from depending on the style you are looking for. Once you pick the style you like, you can then customize it. You can change the font, you can change the color. You can also add sections if you wanted to add more text to the graphic. And then once you're happy with how it looks, you can then download it. Now let's try another example. Say you're brainstorming ideas for a Black Friday ad campaign. You could start by entering Black Friday deals, discount strategies, social media ads, email marketing. It now generated us a document that explores effective strategies for Black Friday deals. It gave us discount strategies, social media ads, and email marketing strategies that we could implement. You can then go to the section you want to create a visual for. It provided us with multiple graphics you could choose from to highlight the section. These ideas will help you craft a more strategic and data-driven campaign. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Napkin AI. Stay tuned for Advertising is Simple's next month's video on exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.